We're back. Sorry, we're back. YouTube, C-Mags here, St. Paul, Minnesota. Still doing my video. This will be kind of a part 2. I apologize for that. I must have clicked the button on my laptop. So, sorry for that. Like this video, subscribe. This will be kind of a 2-part series. I apologize for that. So we got Rock Ruff. We got Purloin. We got Love Disc. Probably should put the cards in a better spot. All the commons. Alright, put the commons in a better spot, like over here. It's not touching them. Alright. Okay. We got Love Disc. We got Chatot. Oh. Ooh, we got the Simisear V-Star. That's really nice. We got a double hit. Nope, we got Gumshoes. Alright, that's really cool. I think I pulled this before. Simisear V-Star. That's nice. That's a nice card. We'll take it. Alright, we'll take it. Alright. We got 6 packs left, guys. 6 packs left. Let's go. What you got going on today for a Monday? Hope you guys doing well. And yeah, we'll get right through this. And I gotta do some chores after. So yeah, big shout out to all of you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. I can't do this without you guys. Support means everything to me. Just thanks for watching the video, even liking the video. It adds a lot to the algorithm and all that. So alright, so we got another green code card. Nice, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna guess electric energy. Ooh, water. Okay. We got energy switch. We got trekking shoes. Lunatone. We got Riolu. We got Scyther. We have Emolga. We have Young Goose. We have Cherim. Ooh, Galar card. What is this? Oh, a Mew. Oh, that is really nice. That's really cool. Do we have a double hitter? Ooh. We got Zacian hologram. That's cool. Alright. So this Mew card is really nice. Look at this Mew card. That was really pretty. You got Galarian Rapidash in there. You got looks like Camerupt. You got Squovit. That's nice. That's really nice. I like this one. That's really cool. Mew. Alright, another hit. There we go. So far it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good, guys. Looking pretty good. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you guys for watching up to this point. Sorry I had to make it as a 2-part video. I didn't mean to accidentally click on the end video. I guess my mouse was hovered over the the record button. I was like, oops. Definitely can't go back to that one, but that's okay. Alright, next pack, guys. Let's get into it. Alright. Let's go. Okay. We got the QR code for you guys back at home. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna guess grass. Oh, dark. Okay. We got Krokorok. We got Ultra Ball. Friends and Sinnoh. Cherim. Or Cherubi, excuse me. Execute. We got Energy Retrieval. Right, yeah. We got Emolga. Love Disc. Ooh, we got the Bidoof! That's awesome. We got a double hitter. Oh, just Heliotusk. But that's nice. Look at this. Another Galar card. We got the legendary Bidoof! Let's go! These are fun, guys. These are very fun. Yeah, I'm excited about these. Alright. That is awesome. The Bidoof. These Galar cards are coming in clutch. Alright. Let's go. Alright. We got 4 packs left, guys. 4 packs left. We can do it. Here we go. Alrighty then. Let's get into it. Alright, we got another green code card. Not sure what this means, good or bad, but I'll take it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna guess psychic energy. Oh, grass. Okay. That's alright. You got energy switch. Crocker Rock. Ultra Ball. We got Oddish. We got Seal. We got Potion. Aaron. Corefish. Alright. Fire Energy Hollow. And, whoa, we got double hollows? That's sick. Look at this. 2 hollow energies. That's nice. That's really cool. That's neat. Alright, we'll take that. That's neat. Alright. I don't know if that's good, but we'll take it. It's double hit, so we'll take it. Got the fire and the dark. Essentially, we got Incineroar typing. Incineroar. Alright, 2 packs left, guys. I'm very, very excited. 2 packs left. Let's go. Alright. Or 3, sorry. 3, excuse me. These are long videos, so I apologize for that, but we're just going through them as much as quickly as I can. We'll see what happens, alright? Alright, we got Ryolu up front. We got another green code card. Could be good. Could be good. Here's a TCG card for you guys at home. 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna guess fire. Ooh, electric. Okay. We got Carnivine. Girafarig. Energy Switch. Ryolu. We got, what is this? Starly? Scyther. Pokeball. Young Goose. Ooh, we got another Galar card. Whoa. Darkrai V-Star? We got a double hitter? No, Oranguru. But that's really cool. Wow. Look at this Darkrai V-Star. That's really nice. That could be a good card. I'm not sure how valuable this one is. This could be a good pull right here. Darkrai V-Star. That's nice. Very nice. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right. All right, you excited? 2 packs left, guys. Let's go. Let's see what we get. Got some stuff to add to the binder, so I'm excited. All right. There's a green code card for you guys back at home. 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna guess water. Oh, fighting. Okay. We got Salazzle. We got Carnivine.
Today, Governor Tim Walz signed a clean energy bill
Girafarig.
into law. The governor says it will allow the state to take steps to lower.
We got Girafarig, which is also a palindrome. If you ever spell Girafarig backwards and forwards, it's the same thing. Baltoy. We got Galarian Meowth. Whalmer. We got Shinxie Poo. We got Larvesta. And we got Reverse Howlunatone and ooh, just Dragology. So nothing in that one. Okay, that's alright. Not guaranteed to hit in every pack, but hey, when you do, it's nice. So last pack magic. Can we get something good, guys? Can we get something good? Let's go. Alright. Here we go. Let's get it. Alright, here's the code card for you guys at home. Always give you guys code cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna guess grass. Oh, fire, okay. We got Lunatone. What is this? Rescue Carrier. We got Salandit. Or Salazzle, excuse me. Corphish. We got Pawniard. It's a nice looking card. Seal. We got Rockruff looking into the moonlight. We got AA Ron. Whoa, we got the... Oh, this is awesome. Look at this Oricorio card. Fusion Strike. Whoa. Wait, what is this? Bead? Whoa, that is cool. It has some lettering on there. That's really neat. I don't know what that is about, but that's cool. So we got the Oricorio and we got the bead. I think that's a good... I'm not sure if that's rare, but what... That's cool. That's kind of neat on the card. All right, cool. A double hit pack, I think. We'll see. All right. Oh, never mind. That's not good. Okay. All right. Well, anyways, we got the Oricorio. That's nice. Sick. All right. Now we're gonna do a little recap for you guys. Sorry, this is a long video. Bear with me, guys. We're gonna do a recap now of all the hits we got from the first video and the second video. Maybe I'll start off with the do trainer galleries. Let's do trainer galleries. Then we'll do the B stars. Okay, so alright, so here we go. We got the Dark Energy. We got the Fire Energy Hollow. We got the Zero Aura VMAX. Zamazenta V. Simisear V-Star. It's a nice card. We got the Darkrai V-Star. We got the Bidoof. We got the Mew. We got the Absol. And we got the Oricorio. So once again, thank you guys for watching up to this point. I'm sorry to cut this video into 2 videos, but that's okay. I'll drop these videos pretty soon, so stay tuned for these on YouTube. Follow my socials, like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and as always, C-Mags, St. Paul. Love you guys. Over now. God bless. Peace.